In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice using Wix. Whether you're running a small business or freelancing, generating professional invoices is crucial for maintaining good financial records and ensuring you get paid on time. Let's dive into how you can do this effortlessly with Wix. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Invoices section of your Wix dashboard. This is your command center for keeping track of all your billing activities. If this is your first visit to the Invoices page, you'll be prompted to fill in some essential business information. This setup step is important because the details you enter here, such as your business name, email, and logo, will automatically appear on any invoices you create, giving them a personalized and professional touch. Once you have your business information set up, it's time to create your invoice. Look for the option that says Create New, and from the drop-down menu, choose Invoice. This will open up a new window where you can start entering all the necessary details for your invoice. Let's begin by setting the tone with the basic information. You'll want to select both the issue date and the due date for your invoice. The issue date is essentially when the invoice is sent out, and the due date should be the time by which you'd like to receive payment. Choose these dates thoughtfully, as they clearly communicate your expectations to your clients. Next, it's time to specify who this invoice is for. Under the Customer section, you can choose one of your existing contacts from Wix, or add a new one if this is the first time you're billing this particular client. This helps keep your records organized and ensures that the invoice reaches the right person without any hitches. Following that, label your invoice with an appropriate title. This title should reflect what the invoice is for, making it easy for both you and your customer to reference in the future. Now let's get to the heart of your invoice, the products or services you're billing for. You'll need to add each item individually. Click on Add an Item where you can choose existing products or services from your inventory. If you're billing for something specific or new, select plus Add New. Having a clear and detailed list of all items can prevent misunderstandings and disputes later down the line. For every item you add, you must fill in key details such as the quantity, unit price, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Be sure to take extra care here to fill out the fields accurately. It's these small details that ensure both you and your client are on the same page and can help facilitate a smoother payment process. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a professional invoice on Wix. Applying these steps will ensure your invoicing process is not only more efficient, but also helps reinforce your professional image to your clients. Thanks for joining, and I hope you found this guide helpful.